This is Rimon Mahmud from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Today is March 18, a wonderful day, 2020, Wednesday. I'm providing you some brief updates about what Canada is doing to face the crisis that is revolving around COVID-19, or what we know as coronavirus. Please note, at 10:30 there will be an update from Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, so stay tuned for his update right at 10:30. Now, starting with some global update. Number one, number of confirmed cases from corona or COVID-19 has surpassed 200,000. As of now, or as of this morning, it stands at 204,069, out of which the number of total death is 8,246. Number two, different nations around the world, they are pledging trillions of dollars to stave off the economic catastrophe. So please note, right now the economy is badly affected because of the coronavirus or COVID-19. Governments around the world are doing their best to face it. 3, US to send $1,000 to each and every American, as reported. Number 4, Belgium joins the list of European nations to impose complete or full lockdown. This is also to curb COVID-19. Germany promised $600 billion to help its citizens, business, and individuals. UK has promised $420 billion USD. Africa, it has its first case. Mr. Burkina Faso died because of coronavirus or COVID-19. 7, wearing of mask has been made compulsory in Czechoslovakia, Prague says. 8, Facebook banned sale of all medical masks in marketplace. Amazon and eBay did the same or restricted the sale earlier in the week. This is because to counter the price gouging that is happening. Turkey confirmed first death on Tuesday. In Iran, the situation has taken a dive for the worse. On Wednesday, total 147 people died, the single most highest spike seen in last couple of weeks. The total number of deaths in Iran is 1,135. Now let's focus on Canada. What is happening around Canada? The total number of cases confirmed as of now, it is 556, out of which 5 died and 9 already recovered. That's a good news. US and Canada, together, they're working to close their border to non-essential travel over coronavirus or COVID-19. It can happen as soon as today. It can be implemented within next 24 hours to 48 hours. That's what is being reported by different media. Number 2, US and Canada are likely to keep their trade and commerce to continue. However, tourists will be banned from crossing the borders. That is what we are expecting. Let's wait for Justin Trudeau and his update, and we'll get to know the details. Air operators will be banned from allowing anyone showing signs or symptoms of COVID-19 from getting into the plane. So if you have signs, and I'll talk about the signs, then you would not be able to travel. Number 4, Foreign Affairs Minister said that Canadians, each and every Canadian that are returning home, can apply for a loan up to 5,000 Canadian dollar to cover their return cost or to cover any of sustain their needs during the process of return. So that's $5,000 for every Canadian. And some of you who are listening from Bangladesh and are on the process of returning to Canada, you can avail this loan. I know for sure 2 families are there. Banks will allow, this is significant, banks will allow mortgage payment to be deferred up to 6 months. The news is still unveiling, so we'll have the details in my next update. IKEA Canada closed all its stores worldwide and in Canada. As I said, Prime Minister will be speaking at 10:30 to all of us. Now, just a little bit of thank you. To whom? To the people that are actually fighting this COVID-19 crisis right in the front line. They are our doctors and nurses. And right now, even the retired healthcare professionals, they are coming back to take up the load. So whenever you meet a doctor or a nurse or a medical healthcare professional, take a moment to say thank you. Because of them, we are being able to fight it together. So thank you, the doctors and nurses, if you're listening. Now, let me end with again reminding what we need to do during this time. World Health Organization has recommended the following. Number 1, wash hands frequently. 2, maintain social distancing. So in terms of social distancing, at least there should be 1 meter distance between two persons. Avoid touching eyes, nose, and mouth. Very difficult sometimes, and as we see, even you can see me doing that, but I'll try not to. So that's very important. Practice respiratory hygiene. What does it mean? It means cover your mouth when you are sneezing or coughing. It means no spitting. It means disposing of your used tissue as soon as you are done with it. Now, if you have symptoms of COVID-19, which are fever, could be cough, and difficulty in breathing, in that case, immediately seek medical attention. Talk to your healthcare provider. And last but not the least, stay informed and follow the advice provided by your healthcare providers. Thank you so much. That's the update right now. I will come back again later as soon as there are some updates. Together we can fight it. Let's come together. Let's help each other. And in Canada, one of the thing or trait that makes us special is our nature to help each other. Let's all come together to volunteer and help. Thank you so much. It will pass. Signing off, Rimon Mahmud from Toronto, Ontario, Canada.